according to this, the study, we should see more of these extreme storm footprints, extreme, what they call area of total destruction is their way they measured this. So we should be seeing more of these. We're actually also should be seeing fewer of the weakest storms. Overall, this study couldn't find much of a change in the number of total storms. It's just the bigger, badder ones are becoming more frequent, and the wimpier ones are becoming less frequent. One of the reasons they think the footprint is larger and the more destructive for these hurricanes is that the water is warmer, and warm water is fuel for hurricanes. Also, storms tend to stall more, like Hurricane Harvey in 2017. And when storms stall more, they just keep raining and inflicting damage on the same area, and thus it's more destruction.